coefficient of variation of the given data below. So you have section A and section B. So let's write first. You have 98, 90, 80, 81, 82, 95, 75, 80, 90, 83. This is for section A. Now for section B, 89, 85, 82, 99, 95, 100, 99, 98, 90, 95. So we need to find the sum of x, or the sum of score. We're going to add this, so this is 854. For section B, this is 932. Number of data, the same, we have 10. And the mean. So the mean here is you just divide 854 and 10, so you have 85.4. 932 divided by 10, you will have 93.2. Okay. Now for the standard deviation, let's have this, another way in finding or in solving standard deviation. So this is our score. Let's have x squared of the score. So 98 times 98, so you have 9,604. 90 times 90, so you have 8100, 80 and 80, 8400, 6561, 6724, 9025, 5625, 640, 8100, and 6889. The sum here is 73428. Section B, so you have the x squared, 89 times 89, 7921, 7225, 6724, 9801, 9025. Then you have 10,000, 9801, 9604, 8100, and 9025. The sum is 87226. Okay, this is other way in solving the standard deviation is this one. Minus summation all over n minus 1. So this is another way or other formula. So let's plug in. This is for section A. Summation of x squared. So this is 73428 and minus summation of x, which is 854 squared all over n, 10, and you have 10 minus 1. Okay, you may use the calculator to solve this one. Now if you don't want to use the calculator, you can do it manually. So you have 73428. Now that is 852 times 852. You have 729316 divided by 10 all over 9. So this is 4. You divide that by 10, 428, 72931.6 over 9. So you subtract, the answer is 496.4 divided by 9. So you have the square root of 55.155, so on. And you have 7.4266. So that is our standard deviation. Approximately, we just round it. Okay, so 7.43. Since you have 6, that is 5 and up, so maadan og 1. So you have 7.43. For this one, for section B, so let's find the standard deviation for section B using same equation or formula. So you have 87226 minus 932 squared over 10 minus 1. So let me show you how to encode this in your calculator. So you click the square root fraction and then you encode 87226 minus fraction, that is 932 squared down 10, and then you have 10 minus 1 equals, you will have 6.356 as your standard deviation for section B. MS calculator syntax, you may use this. The answer is 6.356. For the coefficient variation, the formula is your standard deviation divided by the mean times 100%. For section A, coefficient variation is 7.43. So that's here. And our mean is 85.4. So this is 8. Multiply that by 100, by the way, times 100. So that is 8.70023 and 8.7%. And for section B, our coefficient variation is, this is our standard deviation and the mean. So standard deviation is 6.36. The mean is 93.2 times 100. So that is 6.824. 6.82%. Okay, so we're done with solving section A coefficient variation and section B coefficient variation. It only means that the coefficient variation of section A is 8.7% and coefficient variation of section B is 6.82%, which means that the score in section B is less than scattered than the score in section A. In other words, the score in section B is more homogeneous than the score in section A. So that is coefficient of variation.